Today we're going to be looking at a round, yes, a round diamond painting kit from Jaded Gem Shop. I have been a fan of Jaded Gem Shop since she launched her shop, and the majority of diamond paintings that I do order from her are square. I think I've done one round before from her, so in my last order, this is from my order in September. I'm just getting around to opening it today. But in my last order, I was like, I'm going to order one round kit. So I ended up ordering this diamond painting. I believe it's called April Showers. And it does measure 50 by 70 centimeters. I'm very excited because, for me, I do definitely prefer squares, but I like having a break between squares and doing like a round one. So let's get into it. And if you're new here, and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button, not the tail, but the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well to be notified when I do upload a new video. And here we have our Jaded Gem Shop green washi tape. I do like the thin washi tape because I use it for my planner as well, not only for diamond painting. And okay, we have our diamond painting. I'm not going to peek. Try not to peek, Beverly. Try not to peek. Then we have our drills. As you can see, there are two drill packages, and they are in fact round diamonds. I'm very excited. Okay, calm down. I really like the colors in this one. I think they're perfect for spring because I don't know how it is in your country, but in Canada, Alberta, spring is coming, thankfully, finally. So there's the colors. Then we also get a schematic sheet. So here is a bigger image. I think it's so cute. Like this artist, ChaoIllustrations. I don't know how to say her name, but her artwork is so fun, so cute. You have the little rainbow. She's wearing this little pin backpack where these are like these backpacks where they have a clear vinyl front where you can stick like enamel pins if you collect them, and then you can wear them and showcase them. Super cute. I just love this image a lot, and her hair is like clouds. So anyways, here's the schematic. And there's going to be 37 different colors. And with Jaded Gem Shop, you can add special drills like ABs, crystal drills, glimmer drills, metallic drills, etc. For me, I don't actually care about those types of drills, so I don't add them to my order, but I like the fact that you can choose to add them. You also get some release paper, and it is double-sided. This is my favorite release paper in the world just because it is double-sided, and you don't run into the issue of accidentally putting down the wrong side of the release paper. And here, ooh, here is our diamond painting. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And I think I ordered a good size. I think this might have been the recommended size. So again, it measures 50 by 70 centimeters. At the top, we have information about the canvas. So it's called April Showers, ChaoIllustrations. Here's the logo, and here's Jaded Gem Shop if you want to check them out. I will have a link to the shop in the description box below. And at the very bottom of the canvas, we have our schematic. And along the edges of the canvas, you have like this really pretty green border. Oh, wow. I think this is so adorable. I think this was a really good size too. Like, I am by no means a fan of really huge diamond paintings. For me, the success and like the serotonin hits when I actually finish the diamond painting. And for me, it's all about the process of doing the diamond painting. So the last thing I want to do is like a huge one where I'm stuck doing it forever. I just like moving through kits as fast as I can. So this is a really good size. It's not small by any means. If you're used to like 40 by 50s, this is not a 40 by 50. It's a 50 by 70. And this will take you a bit longer, but I love this. And one thing I do like about Jaded Gem Shop kits, like I've said in the past in many of my videos, is that it's like a photo negative. So as you're working on the kit, you'll see this image come to life, which I really like that about the drill, the canvas field, or whatever you want to call it. So let's take a closer look at the drill field so you guys can see how clear it is. You also may notice that there are faint guidelines, guide circles, but they're so faint they're not going to show up. And like here for this darker color, there's no guide circles. So they're not going to show up like, because this is a round kit, they're not going to show up in between because the colors, the guide circles on like the lighter colors are very, very faint, which I really, really like. Because the last thing you want are like these ugly guide circles showing through when you're finished your diamond painting. So the drill field looks really clear. And there's huge areas of color blocking. And then again, there's some areas of confetti. So I think like if you're a lover of some color blocking and some confetti, I think this is like the ideal canvas for you. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And like for this one and also for another Chao one I did, the artist's name is actually on the canvas itself. So you can go ahead, like if you don't like it, you can go ahead and cover it up. But I think because it's kind of like, it's not like an annoying, it's not an annoying signature, I think I'm just going to leave this. Like for the previous ChaoIllustrations canvas I did, I just left it. Like it doesn't look tacky or anything. It kind of just blends with the picture. And I'll show you how that should look. So it's just like a small thing. And I think her signature is actually super cute. So I'm just going to leave it. Oh, I just realized she's wearing a bow. That's super adorable. So here is it's side by side so you can kind of see what it will look like. I'm really excited to have a round from Jaded Gem Shop, and I'm going to be placing another order with her soon. So I think I'll order 1 or 2 more round kits just because I like, again, like I said earlier, I like having the round kits to take a break from the squares. But I highly, highly recommend Jade's square kits. Her squares fit together, I don't know, chef's kiss. I don't know what to say, but like they fit together so perfectly. And I really, really like the quality of Jaded Gem Shop drills. And just a reminder, it says everywhere on the website, the wait time from ordering to receiving your diamond painting or to when it ships. So make sure you pay attention to that. Again, it's everywhere on the website. So basically, you order with Jade. Jade sends the order to the manufacturer. The manufacturer creates the diamond painting kit, and then they ship it to her, and then she ships it out to you to make sure everything is quality controlled. So just be patient. Again, she is a small shop, and with all small shops, not even just Jaded Gem Shop, I see it a lot on Instagram. Be nice and be patient with small shops. Like these are like small businesses, so you want to make sure like if you have an issue with your order or you have questions, just be nice. Like it literally takes 2 seconds. Anyways, guys, I'm off my pedestal. Let me know what you think of this diamond painting. Let me know if you've ordered a round kit from Jade and what your thoughts are. Leave a comment down below, like this video, and if you are new here and you like diamond painting, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!